So as many participants join in your meeting link, you see something like this. So you have a lot of attendees right here, and then you can see their faces if they have turned on their webcam. So you can see the participants right here and see the who are there over here in the meeting. So let's say that you want to change the view of how this actually looks like. So if you want to do that, you can simply go over here on to the bottom right hand side where there are more options. So you can simply click on more option right here, and here you can see that there's an option to change the layout. So let me just click on change layout right here. And right now it is set to auto. So whatever Google Meet thinks it's fit for the number of participants is there, it just sets it to auto. But if you want to, let's say for example, see the person who's speaking and then see other people on the side, then you can use the sidebar right here. So you can see that now one of the person who's speaking is there, and you can actually go and click through them as well to hit the spotlight just like this. So you can go around on to the change layout section. You can see that you can change around the sidebar. So you can go around and unpin this out as well, just like this. And that is how you can access out all of the views. So let's just see around and change the layout again. So now let's go on to Spotlight. So what happens is that the person who's speaking is the only one who is visible. So you just, if there's loads of participants and you just want to see the person who's speaking, then you might want to enable Spotlight. And the other layout option that you have here is Style. So if you are in a group conversation and then you want to see everyone's face all at once, something like an online party or something, then you can use the grid style option right here. So there's a lot of option, as you can see. And as you're working along just like this, you can go on to any of the participants and you can pin it out. So you can pin him or her onto the main screen, and once you click on the pin again, it gets back onto the grid view just like that. And whenever you're looking at one of the participants just like this, the other webcam information is not loaded, saving your bandwidth as well. So you can just go around and unpin it out, and then other webcam loads out just like that. So that is how you can change the layout and work with different layout views inside of Google Meet meeting. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.